Hey, welcome back. So I apologize, the video I sent out Wednesday for the Junebug for part 3 of our color series, somehow I uploaded it to YouTube like probably Monday. It had an audio file. I don't know what happened, but it did not have an audio file on YouTube. So I'm thinking it's definitely my SD card, because my SD card got corrupted, which also had part 2 of my underspin video on it. So I'm gonna have to reshoot both of these videos. I tried to do a voiceover for the Junebug video, but then for some reason I was missing segments of video to do voiceover for. So I just abandoned that plan, and here we are. I'm gonna do it again. So today is part 3 of our color series. We're gonna do Junebug. This is a very popular color. It catches a lot of fish all year round. Super easy, basic color to make. It helps build upon the fundamentals of soft plastic bait making. Oh, by the way, check out my buddy's YouTube page, Kirk Allen. I'll leave the link down here. If you want to see any of the stuff I make, check out his channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. We're going to do Junebug. Alright guys, so I got 1 cup of dead-on plastic. This is the worm blend. It's slow sink. So let's get it in the microwave. So today's video, you're going to get to see my new hog salad mold. This is the Offender. It's a curly tail worm. It's 6.5 inch. That's hanging 6.5 inch. We're a little cold, we're at 312, so I'm going to throw this back in. That should be good and hot. Yeah, we're at 360 right there. So let's get our colorant mixed in. We're going to be using dead-on plastic Junebug. And the reason I'm using Junebug is because most people starting out new, they're going to want to buy some colorant that are kind of pre-mixed, makes it easy for them. So you can make a couple different variations of the Junebug. You can make it with dark grape. You can make it with neon purple and throw some black in. It just all really depends what shade you're looking for. But for this today, we're going to put, I got 1 cup. Just slightly over 1 cup, so I'm probably going to do 45 drops. There we go. Looks pretty good. As far as the green goes today, we're going to be using Lureworks glitter. It's emerald green. It's the .040 and it's hex flake. I don't have a jar of this. I just have a little bag. So I'm using a 1/16 of a teaspoon. Well, there's 1. Let's put 2 in and see what it looks like. You guys know I like to put lots of flake in my stuff. That looks pretty good. I don't know if we're still hot enough. Let me heat this up and then we'll get it injected. with the magic of YouTube, here we are. Let me stir it one more time. You always want to stir it because that glitter will settle to the bottom. This looks pretty good. And I'd like to tell you this is the first injection in this new mold, but it's not, because it was in the other video. So I'm going to tell you, this thing shoots awesome like any of their molds do. And I'm going to throw this back in the microwave to keep it warm. We'll let this mold cool off. And I'll give you another little sneak peek. I got a new Fat Guys Fishing mold in. This will be in a video soon. I'm excited with this one. I would have got it from Hog Salad, but they don't make a mold like that. But if they did make it, I would buy it because I love Hog Salad molds. Alright, so we got it cooled off. Let's get it opened up. That was a horrible demolding. It's okay though. The bait makes up for it. So on these, I leave them on the sprues and I hang the sprues so that they cure. I don't know if the camera will pick up that, if it'll focus in on it. That's awesome Junebug color right there. While we're waiting on this mold to cool off, check out these baits my buddy over at Into the Woods sent me. I wasn't sure which dangler mold I wanted to order, so he sent me some samples. Look how clean his laminations are. Yeah guys, there you go. Just Junebug. It's super easy to make. So remember, 1 cup of plastisol, between 40 to 50 drops of Junebug, and then I used 1/8 of a teaspoon of .040 hex green flake. You can use any color green you want. So here's a little sneak peek of the upcoming video I'm going to do. I'm super excited about this mold. But if you guys can guess what mold this is, throw a comment down there. Whoever guesses the correct mold first, I'll ship you out some of these Junebug worms I just made. It's harder than it looks, trust me. But yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a like, leave a comment below. So thanks for being patient with me, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.